It's interesting that the document Ex Corde Ecclesiae gives prominence, and very early prominence, to research. Teaching is obviously very important in a Catholic university, but Ex Corde Ecclesiae makes clear research is necessary, and there is something research brings which is critical to the university's life and its faith and value position. The document looks at special characteristics of research, things like the need to integrate multiple disciplines and perspectives, the possibility of a cultural dialogue, a dialogue between faith and reason in research projects and centres, the necessity of an ethics perspective, the question of value, the necessity of a theological perspective, the question of meaning. So the document has much to say about research. Is this actually of any interest in an era-driven, rankings-driven approach to research, as we all must take these days? Well, I think it is, because research is ultimately for people, and people really are creatures of integration, of dialogue. They're creatures of value, they're meaning-seeking creatures. So I think the document is really on to something here. Catholic universities' contribution to research has often been groundbreaking, mind-blowing. And it's not just on the normal, the usual, the expected societal questions. Catholic universities can research distinctive areas of research questioned opened up by the faith and reason and value position that the Church, through its tertiary institutions, has put forward for centuries.